Today I will be teaching about the radius, the diameter, the circumference, and pi by Jake Reynolds. Within this lesson, I will discuss pi and how it relates to circles, the formula for finding the circumference of circles, and how radius and diameter are related to circles. First off, we must discuss the main aspects of circles. These include the radius, which is a direct line from the edge of the circle to the center of the circle. The diameter, which is double the radius as it goes from one edge to the other, cutting straight through the middle. So you can't have a diameter right here on the very side of it, but that wouldn't cut right through the middle, which is this dot here. And the circumference, which is this line wrapping around the circle. Now, the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r. Now, pi is found from circumference divided by the diameter. Now, pi is an irrational number. It goes on forever and never repeats, but is 3.14159 and so on. Now that we know these major aspects of circles, we can use examples of these. First example, we will be finding the circumference using only the radius. Now, in this case, we know the radius is 7, and we know the formula for finding the circumference is 2 pi r, r being the radius. Now, we can insert the 7 into this equation, make it 2 times pi times 7. Now, we can move this round to make it 14 pi, which is roughly 42, as pi is roughly 3. So now we know the circumference is roughly 42 feet, or whatever unit measurement you would like to use for this. Now, for example 2, we will be finding the radius using only the circumference. So the equation for this would be pi times diameter is equal to 4 feet, since diameter is double the radius. Now, we can divide pi from both sides of the equation, making diameter is equal to 4 over pi feet. Now, we would have to divide both sides of this equation by 2, or multiply it by 1/2, since we're trying to find the radius instead of the diameter, which is directly 1/2 of each diameter. So doing this, we know that the radius of this circle is 2 over pi. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson on the radius, circumference, the diameter, and pi. Any questions?